Addison, look. It's a little bear. It's so soft. What else we got, Pumpkin? What is it? It's a tambourine!
Thank you, whoever that was.
Yeah! Oh. The tambourine! Addison, look! Addie! Look at Mom's new favorite boots. I got boots. I think this is from Grandma. Grandma got you boots. Oh, they're adorable. Oh, Pumpkin, look. Addie. Addison. A new dress. A new dress. Love bloomers. And tights. Cause it's cold. Cold. Addie, you want to open this? You want me to have that? You want to open this? What is here? What is this? It's a book. Where's the baby's belly button? Where's the baby's belly button? Addison, what else is in here? What else is in here? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's in a coat. That is too stinking cute. Look at her coat, Pumpkin. Addie. Your card. It says, "Happy birthday. Look who's turning 1. It's from Grandma. Grandma.